Good morning. Well, Aussie investors might be looking to clip some fresh profits off the table, as the futures are today suggesting a dip of 0.2% after the ASX 200 so far this week has gained over 4%. Overnight, US equities explored new heights. The Nasdaq 100 hit a record all-time high before running out of puff, while the S&P 500 saw some profit-taking, heading lower for the first time in 4 days and ended 0.3% lower, weighed by weaker than expected weekly unemployment claims and also coronavirus cases there ticking up. While the blue chip index in the US, the Dow Jones, moved north, gaining ever so slightly, rising 0.1% and tracks 3.5% higher this week. And over in Europe, the ECB committed to increasing their pandemic bond buying program to a total of €1 trillion. The oil price nudged ahead ever so slightly to $37.41 a barrel, with OPEC mulling over extending their production cuts to boost the iron ore price, and the gold price lost about $6 in value, falling to $1,722 an ounce. The iron ore price seeing a bit of profit taking, losing 1.6%, but the iron ore price is still holding on to a week-to-date gain of 9.4%, and it last traded at $100 a tonne. Now, what to watch today? Well, Kogan, KGN just handed down their June quarter results. Gross profit rose 130% in the fourth quarter of the financial year. Active customers for Kogan.com rising to 2 million, and that means Kogan.com customers grew by over 120,000 in May. The consensus view for Kogan shares is that they're trading at a 31 times earning multiple. Now, companies going ex-dividend today to watch include ALS, their ticker code is ALQ, and Infratil, IFT, and OFX Group. OFX is their code. They go ex-dividend on Tuesday. Now, remember, we do have a public holiday on Monday. Also note that if you buy shares before an ex-dividend date, you'll be entitled to that upcoming dividend, which is why on the day that a company trades ex-div, their shares are usually sold down. Now to some local trading ideas. Well, Afterpay APT was upgraded by Bell Potter overnight with a $65 price target after Bell Potter did a deep dive into Afterpay's profit prospects for the future. Beacon Lighting, BLX, is a city top small cap pick, and they got an extra boost following the government's home builder scheme being announced, and Beacon is well placed to continue to outperform the market. Their shares have already gained a massive 150% from the COVID-19 bare bottom lows, and BLX trades at a 15% discount to Australian housing retail peers, and it's trading at an earnings multiple of 13 times forward-looking earnings. City expects Beacon Lighting's shares to grow 16% to $1.24. And lastly, UBS initiated coverage of the property group Centuria CNI for the first time, saying it's UBS's top buy pick for fund managers. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.